will be tuning in every night to watch it.
Can I please add one thing, ma'am? I can guarantee you one thing. This show is not just voyeurism. Otherwise, I would not be here. I guarantee you.
Yeah. Ekta, also you spoke about how you want to make this into a global
I'm
show.
so sorry to
Just
interrupt.
one question. But Ekta didn't speak to Kangana. She would have loved to host this show again. And of course, Ritesh and Farhad fab as host. But did you have a word with her? Was she keen on doing it?
I see, frankly, when the format changed so much, the whole vision of the show changed, and the demographic, the kind of jailer judge format we had changed the full dimension of the show. So nothing of the original show has been kept, neither the jailer, neither the host, and so keeping anything from the old would not give the fresh presentation we planned. So I'm sure Kangana understood.
And if I can add, like I said, when Netflix does something, we do the most ambitious version, and Lock Up is the most ambitious version of the main format, and it is going to go from India to the world. Like you said, made in India, watched by the world. So that's what it's going to be.
Raja Shivaji, it was wonderful.
Thank you.
And all of the contestants also. मैं राम से पूछना चाहूँगी, उनसे काफ़ी पूजा सामंत है, काफ़ी उम्मीदें रहती है, सबको आपका परफॉर्मेंस बेहद पसंद आता है, खास जब भी आपका नाम टेलीविजन शो में रहता है, बहुत ऑडियंस की एक्सपेक्टेशंस रहती है. क्या इस शो में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए आपकी कोई स्ट्रेटेजी रहती है, या वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड ऑफ एकता, क्या उनका सजेशन रहेगा, किस तरह के स्ट्रेटेजी के बारे में आपने सोचा है?
दो सवाल यहाँ पे. तो पहले तो मैं एकता के बारे में बता देता हूँ. आपको सवाल बहुत डिटेल में पता चलेगा अगर आप शो देखोगे. नाउ विजिटली माय स्ट्रैटेजी, कुछ शोज में स्ट्रैटेजी की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. अब मैं जानता हूँ कि मेरा ब्रांड या मेरी यूएसपी या जो भी लोग मुझे देखना चाहते हैं वो क्यों देखना चाहते हैं, और मेरे लिए उसको प्रोटेक्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज दैट्स ऑल वी हैव एज एक्टर्स. अगर मैं उसको डैमेज कर दूँ, मैं अपने हाथ को हार्म कर रहा हूँ. If I'm putting myself in front of the nation like this, I have to be very, very, very honest. Otherwise, I'm not respecting the audience. So I'm just aware of that. No strategy, but just that.
Hi,
Yes.
So,
Great question, by the way. You will see everything that the contestants are up to, and we decided on the 5 days format because we want to really pack the episodes with everything that's happening, and we want to build the anticipation for the Judgment Day episode. So it's a very carefully and cleverly designed format, and when you see it, you will realize what is going to happen.
But that's all the time we have for Q&A. मैंने देखो मैं भारी का पक्का होता है. मैंने Q&A शुरू किया था.
all right. The question is that, yes, a lot of secrets will be out over here for the contestants who are participants of this. One secret you would hate that Netflix will get to know about you, which you're kind of preserving, and you might kind of share it out over here by any chance?
I think I'm just holding on to that secret right now. So maybe one day when I come as a contestant on the same show, I would love to create that.
And my last question is to you, Raj, sir. Recently also, there was such interviews which took place. Some of your conversations went out of the place.
Sorry, can you repeat please?
When you had that recent interactions at the interview, certain things came out of context. Would you prefer to clarify that on the show? Because this show is also for an English makeover interview.
So, two things. Firstly, that's a different platform. So, here we have to be careful to not unnecessarily talk about another platform. Secondly, I clarified everything on front page of the newspaper. I think I did enough. No?
He doesn't read.
That's all.
Only watches.
Ajay?
He doesn't read, he only watches.
Yeah.
दिव्या कोलकाता भाई दिव्या प्लीज
But we'll get to
सीनियर
know.
इज अ सीनियर हमारे सीनियर है वो.
So of course, Farah, filmy question तो होना ही चाहिए. I want to know your and this.
अंग्रेज के
देना यार, no brain.
Asrani ji,
Of course.
course.
किसी का और हो सकता है क्या?
Jailer or the
Absolutely, absolutely.
Then Pranza.
Also, Dilip
From
Kumar
Kalia.
from Karma.
Yes.
And
Shahrukh Khan.
Pranza from Karma. From Kalia.
And Shahrukh Khan.
And Shahrukh Khan
From Jawan.
from Jawab.
Great.
काफी सारे हैं.
And now it will be mine will be Ritesh.
और Farah from Walkup.
Ritesh will lock up.
ये आज के जमाने के जेलर हैं फराह खान, रितेश देशमुख, विशिंग यू द बेस्ट। हम आज लॉकअप के करवा में रहे हैं।